Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want your website to look on brand, readable and professional, changing fonts is one of the fastest visual upgrades you can make in GoDaddy Websites Builder in 2026. The key is understanding how GoDaddy handles fonts globally versus locally. Okay, so most frustration comes from trying to change font section by section like advanced builders. We will set the right expectations and show the correct supported way. In this step-by-step guide, I will show you how to change fonts in GoDaddy Websites Builder 2026 like a pro. So first thing first, log into GoDaddy. Okay, so go to website, select your website, click edit site. So you have to click here, so you will have a page like this. Okay, font settings are handled globally from here. So inside the editor, click theme or design, so select fonts or typography. Okay, you will see now font controls for headings, body text, buttons on some templates. So these control your entire site. Choose your font parent. So GoDaddy offers curated Google Fonts pairing. So for each category, click the font drop down, preview live changes, scroll through available fonts, common combinations, for example, modern like Monstrut plus Open Sans. Okay, so stick to 1 to 2 fonts max. So thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.